Hey folks, let's start with another lab. The lab is Analyze Insight in the Text with Amazon Comprehend. So, what is the Amazon Comprehend? So, Amazon Comprehend is a natural language processing service that uses machine learning to uncover insight from text, and it can identify the language of text, extract the key phrase, entities, and events, and understand the overall sentiments like positive, negative, neutral, and mixed. So you can train Amazon Comprehend to recognize custom entity specific to your business or industry. It can group or document it by topic and making it easier to analyze large collection of text data. So being a fully managed service, it is scaled automatically based on the size of data, and there is no need for infrastructure management. So for the Amazon Comprehend integrates seamlessly with the other AWS services such as S3, Lambda, and more. To enhance its capabilities, let's do some hands-on on it. So we have the task here, like we need to analyze text with Amazon Comprehend Insights, right? So let's start with the Amazon Comprehend. So let's click here. Now you will see the page of the Amazon Comprehended service, right? And we have the button, the launch Amazon Comprehend. So I have just click on here, and if you see on the left hand side, the real-time analysis, and if you click here, right, and if you go down, so we have the input data section where we have the some like a two options are there, the built-in one and the custom one. So right now I am going to explain to you what is a built-in, right? And I have some text here which I am going to paste here, right? So now I have just pasted this text and I'm going to click on analyze. So it's take a little bit time, and if you see the sentiment box, right, we have comprehended would like indicate a mixed sentiments, right? So as a paragraph contain the both positive experience and the neutral or I can say factual information, right? So the sentiment analysis would be capture these balance of emotions. Okay, so for this, if you go down little bit, we have the result for this particular sentiment section. So what we have here, we have the 0.65% of neutral, we have the positive sentences on the 35%, 34%, and the negative is the 0, and the mixed is 0, obviously, right? Now, if you look at into the entity, right? So it's showing the entity with the colors. So we have the highlighted text with the different color to represent various type of entity like organization, location, dates, and the people. It provides detail about the each identified entity, include its type and the confidence level of the analysis. So the result pane, if you see, right here, we have the pen offer further insights into the recognized entity and their contextual relevance, right? So you can see the entity detect along with their confidence score. We have the score about if we are go with the genre, so we have the confidence score about the 0.99. So like this, you have the lot of entities and the type and the confidence score here, right? Now let's deep dive into the another section, key phrase. Okay, so the key phrase tab in the Amazon Comprehend displays significant noun phrase identifying the text along with their confidence level in the or I can say in the analyze text box. uh, these key phrases are underlined, and the result section if you see, it's providing their associate confidence score. So for the review, you can see multiple key phrase listed here, right? Now we have the language. Okay, so the language box is like a display the detect language of the text along with its confidence score. It highlights the primary language used and how certain the model is about this classification. For the review, if we have to see, like the Amazon comprehend detect the English language with 0.99 confidence rating, right? Now just go with the another one. We have the syntax, right? So on the syntax tab in the comprehension display, a detailed analysis of sentence structure identify each word, part of speech, and its grammatical role with these sentences. So it also include the dependency relation between words and their confidence score, right? If you see on the result as well. And if you have already seen the result, so there's a grammatical structure of the text and the identify parts of speech and their synthetic relationships such as subject, object, and modifier. So it helps in understanding sentence structure and the language pattern. So this is the overall overview about the Amazon Comprehend. So we can use these services with the help of other AWS services directly. So yeah, on the later end, we are going to create end-to-end project as well, right? So let's catch with the next videos, right? Have a great day. Yep. Thank you.